Angular 5 app with Angular CLI 1.5. In our previous lecture, we updated our Angular CLI to version 1.5. This time, we will use this tool to generate a new Angular version 5 app. The process is actually the same as with Angular 4. So open up a terminal, and then in here, you can create your new folder, Angular 5, or whatever folder you name it you want, and then go in there and issue the ng new command and then the name of your app. So here, for example, my Angular app 5, and now it's creating these files. And while we're waiting, we can now open our Visual Studio IDE. Okay, and under here, I'm gonna create this one, or open a new folder, and then I have here this Angular 5 that we had created earlier, and now I'm gonna open it, and there you go. Right now, the Angular CLI is downloading the node_modules, so basically this one, and getting all of the dependencies of our Angular app. So as you can see here, we have a lot of different dependencies, and that's it. As you can see here, the project My Angular 5 has been successfully created, and great, it's actually quite fast right now. And one thing about Angular 5 is it's quite faster than Angular 4 and has a lot of improvements. So now, to verify that we're actually doing Angular 5, you have to do this. Check the Angular-CLI JSON over here, and let me resize this. And second, open your package.json. Okay, so how do I know that I'm using Angular 5? Of course, I am using Angular 5 because, as you can see here, the version is version 5.0.0 or Angular 5. And as you can see here, we have the animations, common, compiler, and all of the submodules of Angular. And its core is in this Angular version 5. So good, that's verified. And now we're gonna run it. So over here, you can open up your terminal inside your Visual Code Studio IDE. And then to do that, you simply have to go to View and integrate terminal. And pretty much the same as Angular 4, you can do ng-serve. And then just wait for it to run. And great, let's now open up a new web browser. So here, go to localhost 4200, and there you go. And I have my Angular 5, and then there you go. And in here, you can also go to your Angular CLI JSON, and pretty much this is your project name. That's why in here, as you can see here, that it's My Angular 5 in the title. And pretty much that's it. Again, to ensure that you're using Angular 5 on your Angular CLI project, ensure that your Angular CLI is updated to at least version 1.5 or higher.